Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Rahila Ferdowsi, Assistant Teacher, Day Shift. Today I am going to have a class with the students of class 7. Our today's subject is Agriculture Studies. Today we will do Chapter 3, CQ2, CW. Okay, my dear students, now let's see the question. The question is, Mr. Ahad for the second time transplanted brinjal seedlings on his fields near his homestead. These plants flowered and produced fruits in due time. This time, Mr. Ahad noticed infestation of insect pests in stems and twigs of brinjal plants. He also noticed small black pores on some fruits. Last year also, he faced similar problems and applied chemical insecticides which were of no use, only wastage of money. Therefore, this time he consulted the local agriculture officer for the alternative treatment. The questions are: A. What kind of pesticides can be used to conserve nature? B. For what reason chemical pesticides are called silent killers? Explain. C. Describe the appropriate measure to solve the problem Mr. Ahad is facing. D. Evaluate the measures that Mr. Ahad took for his brinjal crop in the previous year. Now see the answer. First, A. What kind of pesticides can be used to conserve nature? Answer. Organic and non-chemical pesticides can be used to conserve nature. Number B. For what reason chemical pesticides are called silent killers? Chemical pesticides are formulated poison. The crops produced after applying those pesticides are also poison. Its consequence is also very dangerous. That's why it is called the silent killers. Number C. Describe the appropriate measure to solve the problem Mr. Ahad is facing. Mr. Ahad cultivated brinjal. There were infestation of insects around the stem and at the tip of the plants. Since he got no advantage of applying chemical pesticides last year, this time he can apply straps of tobacco or nicotine sulfate. Nicotine sulfate is effective against insects of foliage and growing branches. It is a bio or organic pesticide. Use of this pesticide will not cause any environmental damage. Side by side, pests of crops will be eradicated. Besides, Ahad can control insects by using light traps or spreading beneficial insects there. By this way, fruits will remain poison-free also. Number D. Evaluate the measures that Mr. Ahad took for his brinjal crop in the previous year. So now let's see the answer. Mr. Ahad applied chemical pesticides in his brinjal field during previous year. Disadvantages are more than that of the advantages of using chemical pesticides. The reason is that only a small fragment of the chemical pesticide, 1% or less, can reach the targeted pest. Besides, pest induces resistance against pesticides due to the prolonged use of it year after year. As a result, using pesticides to control these insects results no effect. In case of Ahad's first time approach, both of the incidents occurred at a time. The pesticide which Ahad applied in his crop lost its activity as the infested insects gained resistance power against that. That pesticide also killed the microbes of the soil. That is why it was not possible to save brinjal production of that year. Okay, my dear students, this is all for today. You must practice the lesson at home. Stay well, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.